Welcome to a journey where creativity meets sustainability. In this exploration of scrapwood projects, we'll uncover the transformative potential of materials often considered waste. Scrapwood offers a unique opportunity to craft functional and beautiful items while promoting eco-friendly practices. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast looking for new ideas, this video will inspire you to see the beauty and value in every piece of wood. Repurposing scrapwood not only helps reduce waste, but also allows you to create one-of-a-kind pieces that tell a story. Each project is a chance to showcase your craftsmanship and creativity, turning remnants into functional art. From furniture to home decor, the possibilities are endless. Join us as we dive into innovative project ideas, techniques, and tips for transforming scrapwood into valuable creations that enhance your living space and enrich your life. If you enjoyed this exploration of scrapwood projects and want to stay updated on more creative ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Liking our content helps us reach a broader audience, while sharing it with friends and fellow DIY enthusiasts spreads the inspiration. Together, we can promote sustainable practices and celebrate the beauty of repurposing materials. Join our community and let's transform waste into wealth, one project at a time. Scrapwood. Scrapwood is often overlooked, yet it holds immense potential for creative projects. This material includes leftover pieces from larger woodworking jobs, offcuts from construction, or reclaimed wood from old furniture and structures. By repurposing scrapwood, you not only reduce waste but also create unique, functional items that can generate profit. This approach aligns with sustainable practices, appealing to consumers who prioritize eco-friendly products. Understanding the value of scrapwood. The intrinsic value of scrapwood lies in its versatility and character. Each piece tells a story, often featuring unique grain patterns, colors, and textures. Understanding the potential of different types of scrapwood, such as hardwood, softwood, or reclaimed timber, can inspire innovative designs. By perceiving scrapwood as a valuable resource rather than waste, you can unlock new creative possibilities and market opportunities. Crafting functional furniture. Functional furniture is a lucrative market for scrapwood projects. Consider crafting items such as stools, side tables, or console tables. Focus on designs that maximize the use of the wood you have. For instance, a coffee table made from multiple smaller pieces can create a stunning patchwork effect. Highlighting the unique features of the wood can make each piece special, attracting buyers looking for statement furniture that adds character to their homes. Building storage solutions. Storage is a persistent need in every household, making storage solutions a great project for scrapwood. You can create items like rustic crates, shelving units, or multifunctional benches with built-in storage. For example, a bench that doubles as a storage chest can appeal to customers looking for practicality without sacrificing style. These functional pieces can help declutter spaces while showcasing the beauty of reclaimed materials. Creating garden planters. Garden planters are an excellent use of scrapwood, allowing you to create items that enhance outdoor spaces. You can design simple rectangular planters or more elaborate raised garden beds. Using treated scrapwood ensures durability against the elements. Designing home decor items. Scrapwood is perfect for crafting distinctive home decor items. Projects like picture frames, wall art, and decorative signs can be made quickly and sold profitably. Consider creating a series of themed decor items, such as seasonal decorations or personalized signs. These smaller projects can often have a quick turnaround time, making them ideal for craft fairs, local markets, or online sales. Crafting pet furniture. The pet industry is booming, providing an excellent opportunity to create functional items from scrapwood. Consider building pet beds, feeding stations, or even toys. For example, a stylish elevated dog bowl stand made from reclaimed wood can appeal to pet owners who want functional yet attractive solutions for their furry friends. These projects can showcase your creativity while tapping into a passionate market of pet lovers. Building outdoor furniture. Outdoor furniture made from scrapwood can be both durable and aesthetically pleasing. Consider crafting picnic tables, benches, or lounge chairs that encourage outdoor gatherings. Make sure to use wood that can withstand the elements by treating it with sealants or stains. Highlighting the rustic charm of reclaimed wood can make your outdoor pieces stand out, appealing to customers looking to enhance their patios or gardens. Using wood for crafts. Smaller pieces of scrap wood can be repurposed into crafts that require minimal materials and time. Items like coasters, keychains, and holiday ornaments can be easily produced and sold. Crafting kits containing pre-cut pieces can also be marketed to DIY enthusiasts, allowing them to create their own projects at home. These smaller items not only have a lower production cost, but can also become popular gift items, especially during holidays. Emphasizing sustainability. In today's market, sustainability is a key selling point. Emphasizing the eco-friendly nature of your scrap wood projects can attract environmentally conscious consumers. Highlight the reduced waste and sustainable practices in your marketing materials. Sharing your process, such as how you source and repurpose the wood, can resonate with buyers who value products that align with their environmental beliefs. Customization options. Offering customization can significantly enhance your business appeal. Allow customers to choose sizes, finishes, and designs tailored to their preferences. For instance, a customer might request a specific stain color for a bookshelf or a unique engraving on a decorative sign. Custom projects often command higher prices and foster customer loyalty, as clients appreciate personalized touches in their purchases. Marketing your scrapwood creations. Effective marketing is crucial for turning your scrapwood projects into profit. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work, creating visually appealing posts that highlight the details and craftsmanship of each item. Engage with your audience through storytelling, sharing the inspiration behind your projects. Building an authentic connection with potential buyers can lead to higher engagement and conversions. Setting up an online store. An online store can greatly expand your market reach. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website allow you to showcase and sell your scrapwood projects directly to consumers. Optimize your listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords to attract potential buyers. Offering a seamless shopping experience, including easy payment options and clear return policies, can enhance customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. Collaborating with local artisans. Networking with local artisans can provide valuable opportunities for collaboration and growth. Consider partnering with other woodworkers, crafters, or local businesses for joint projects or events. This can lead to shared resources, increased exposure, and the ability to offer unique, collaborative products. Participating in local craft fairs or markets can also enhance your visibility and allow you to connect with potential customers. Hosting workshops. Hosting workshops can be a great way to engage with your community while showcasing your skills. Teach participants how to create their own scrapwood projects, fostering a sense of creativity and accomplishment. These workshops can serve as both a source of income and a marketing tool, as participants who enjoy their experience may become future customers for your products. Exploring new techniques. Continuously exploring new woodworking techniques can keep your offerings innovative and appealing. Attend workshops, take online courses, or read industry publications to stay informed about the latest trends in woodworking. Experimenting with new methods and designs can inspire fresh ideas for using scrapwood, helping you stand out in a competitive market. Thank you for watching the video. We appreciate your support and hope you found it inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative content and project ideas. If you enjoyed what you saw, please give us a like. Your feedback helps us grow and reach more people. Join us on this journey of turning scrapwood into beautiful, functional pieces.